Welcome back, students. In this video today we are going to understand a very important topic, which is loop. So before we proceed, I want to make you understand what is loop. Loop is nothing but actually a repetitive action. That is what loop is. And for instance, if you have watched the movie Doctor Strange and the final scene, you can see how Doctor Strange has bargained with the Dormammu, and that was a loop example. But if you have not watched it, then watch this video and you can have a better understanding that how loop works. Okay, so I'm going to create a subinstance. Okay, so I'm going to do a very simple thing. I'm going to do the selection of sheet 1, then I'm going to do the selection of range A1, and then I'm going to go one step downwards with the help of offset command. So what I'm going to do, active cell dot offset, row index I'm giving 1 and column index I'm giving 0 dot select. That's it. So this is very simple. Till now nothing that is we called a loop or that is called a tough. So F8, sheet 1 has been activated, A1 is activated already, and this is the active cell. From that active cell is going to go downwards, one step downwards only. That's it. Now this is the step of going downwards. I want to repeat that particular task. So I'm typing do, and here I'm typing loop. Now these are two commands. The first one is to start the loop, which is do, and the second one is to repeat that particular task, that is loop. So if I'm going to run this particular macro, it will be hanged if I'm going to run this with the help of F5. So that's the very reason I'm going to run this macro with F8 line per line, because this is an infinite loop. Why is it so? Let's see. If I'm running this F8, sheet 1 activated, range A1 activated, do means do this particular activity. Whatever is written after do, it will perform that task. So it has performed the task of going downwards, and loop say go back to do. Now it will not go back to do completely. The reason is being there is no condition in front of do. So it will go whatever is written after the do by default, and it will perform the task once again, that is going downwards. And if I'm going to press F8 continuously, you can see it will keep on going downwards. Till now the data is filled, so it is going downwards. That's absolutely fine, but you can see even if it is blank, it is going downwards, which should not happen. I want to go it downwards till the time where the data is filled. So I need to give a condition that when to stop this loop. So for this, after do, I'm going to write do until active cell dot value equal to blank. So the until command tells when to stop. Now if I'm going to run this particular command, A1 is selected, it will go through the do, it will check the condition whether it is blank, no, so it will perform the task, that is going downwards. Loop will go back to do. Now it will again check whether the condition is fulfilled, no, once again, so it will perform this task once again. So it will keep on performing this task. You can see that. Now I'm waiting this data to be end. It's very soon it's going to happen. Now you can see I have reached here. I'm going to slow it down a bit, and again I have gone downwards. Now when it will go to do, it will check the condition and it is true now, so it will stop this particular task, and that's it. If I'm going to run it in a single instance with the help of F5, you can see something like that. Means it is going through each and every cell. That is what loop is. And if we are not going to give any until and while command is also there, I will make you understand later on, then it will be converted into infinite loop, and your and if you are going to run this with the help of F5, then that will be, your system will be hanged actually, or this particular MS Excel is going to be hanged, and there would be only one option, Control Alt Del, and go to Task Manager and end that particular task. But what is the practical use of it? My suggestion would be, first try this one, understand the loop a bit, and in the next video we are going to perform few practical tasks so that you can have a better understanding of it. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day.